In this video, we are going to learn how to factor, and I am going to solve all these 4 problems. So the first problem is 4x plus 16. In this problem, both the terms 4x and 16 can be divided by 4. So the common factor is 4. So I am going to take 4 out. When you divide the first term 4x by 4, this becomes x plus when you divide the second term 16 by 4, which is 4. So the answer is 4x plus 4. You can check the answer by multiplying 4 times x, that is 4x, and 4 times 4, that is 16. The second problem is 3x square plus 27. So in this problem, both the terms 3x square and 27 can be divided by 3. So the common factor is 3. So I'm going to take 3 out. So when you divide the first term by 3, this becomes x square, plus when you divide the second term by 3, that becomes 9. So the answer is 3x square plus 9. Now we are going to solve the third problem. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 9 and c is equal to 9. In order to solve this problem, first we have to multiply a and c. Here a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. So ac is equal to 2 times 9 is 18. And step 2 is we have to find b. Here b is equal to 9. First we have to figure out any two numbers. When we multiply those two numbers, we need to get the value of ac. And when we add the same two numbers, we need to get the value of b. So the two numbers that we choose should satisfy both the conditions. Let's try the numbers 6 and 3. So when you multiply 6 and 3, which is equal to 18, so that is AC. And when you add the same two numbers 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9, that is equal to B. So it satisfies both the conditions. So the numbers are 6 and 3. Now we know the numbers are 6 and 3. I am going to solve this problem. So 2x square plus 9x plus 9. I am going to take the middle term and write it in terms of 6 and 3. So this becomes 2x square plus, I am going to write the 9x as 6x plus 3x. So when you add it, this becomes 9x plus 9. First I am going to take these two terms and find the common factor. So the common factor is 2x. So I am going to take 2x out. So when you take 2x from this term, the remaining is x, plus when you take 2x out from this term, the remaining is 3, plus I'm going to take these two terms now. So the common factor in these two terms is 3. So I'm going to take 3 out. When you take 3 out, the remaining is x in this term. So I'm going to write x plus, so when you take 3 out, the remaining is 3 in this term. So I'm going to put 3. Now in these two terms, we have a common factor, that is x plus 3. So I'm going to take out x plus 3. So when you take out x plus 3 from this term, the remaining is 2x, plus when you take out x plus 3 from this term, the remaining is 3. So the answer is x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Now we are going to solve the fourth problem. So this is in the form ax square plus bx plus C. So here A is equal to 1 and B, which is equal to negative 1. So there is a negative sign, we have to include that too. And C is equal to negative 12. In order to solve the problem, we have to multiply A and C. Here A is 1 times C is negative 12, which is equal to 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. Then we have to find B. Here B is equal to negative 1. So AC is equal to negative 12 and B is equal to negative 1. Now we have to find out two numbers. When you multiply both the numbers, we have to get the value of AC, that is negative 12. And when you add the same two numbers, we have to get the value of B, that is equal to minus 1. I am going to take the numbers 4 and 3. When you multiply 4 and 3, that is equal to 12. So this is negative 12 and this is negative 1. So one number should be negative. Let's just say 4 has a negative sign. So negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. So which is equal to AC. Now we have to add these two numbers. Negative 4 plus 3, which is equal to negative 1. So that is equal to B. So when you multiply, you get AC, and when you add, you get B. So this satisfies both the conditions. So the numbers are negative 4 and positive 3. Now we know the numbers are negative 4 and positive 3. We are going to solve this problem. So x square minus x minus 12. Now I am going to replace negative x in terms of minus 4 and 3. So this becomes x square. Instead of negative x, I am going to write it as minus 4x plus 3x. And the negative 12 remains the same, negative 12. Now I am going to take the first two terms and we are going to take out the common factor. Here x is the common factor. So I am going to take x out. So the first term, when you take x out, the remaining is x minus, in the second term when you take out x, the remaining is negative 4. Plus, I am going to do the same thing. I am going to take out the common factor from these two. The common factor is 3. When you take out 3, this becomes x minus this term becomes 4. Now in both the terms, x minus 4 is the common factor. So I'm going to take x minus 4 out. So when you take x minus 4 from the first term, the remaining is x plus, when you take out x minus 4 from the second term, 3 is remaining. So that's the answer. Now we solved all the problems. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.